Come to the next terminology, event. What is event? Event is the consequences or result of a transactions. Event is a consequences or results of a transactions. For example, I am giving you 4 transactions. Transactions number 1, suppose Ram is the owner of the business. He has started business. Ram started business with a cash of rupees 2 lakhs. Ram is the owner of the business. He is the owner. Started business with a capital of rupees 2 lakhs. This is the first transaction. Second transaction, business purchased goods for cash rupees 1,20,000. Purchase goods for cash rupees 1,20,000. Business sold goods, sold 1/4 goods, 1/4 of these goods, sold for rupees 50,000. Business sold 1/4 goods, 1/4 of which is purchased, which was purchased for rupees 50,000. Business paid wages rupees 2,000. This is the transaction. Now, what is event? Event is the consequence or result of the transaction. Now, see the events, result. Number 1, result in terms of profit. Business purchased goods 1,20,000. Business sold goods 1/4, sold 1/4 goods for rupees 50,000. So, sold goods for rupees 50,000 less cost of the goods, is 1/4 of 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So it is 30,000. 30,000. 1/4. And one expenses business has bear, that is wages 2,000. So total expenses is 32,000. Total expenses is 32. So in this transaction, the business earned a profit of 18,000. Earned a profit of 18,000. It's an event. Profit is an event. When the business sold goods for rupees 50,000, the cost of that goods is 1/4 of 1,20,000. It is 30. Wages paid by the business is 2,000. It's an expense. So total cost involved is 32. It means business earned a profit of 18,000. Sales exceed the total cost. So profit is 18,000. Profit is an event. Profit is an event of the transactions. So what is event? Event is the result or consequences of a transactions. Now another event in the same is what? Earlier capital was 2 lakhs. Now Ram earned a profit of rupees 18,000. Now his capital is 2,18,000. Now his capital, closing capital is this. This one is the business started with this capital. This is the opening capital. After adding profit, now the new capital is 2,18,000. This is the event. New capital, after addition of the profit, the new capital is 2,18,000. This is the old. After adding that profit, the new capital is 2,18,000. This is the event. Change. This is the consequences of the transaction. Another consequences in this is what? This is the first consequence. Second consequence. Now come to the third consequence. Third consequence. Third consequence or result. Come to the cash. Business started, Ram started the business with a cash of rupees 2 lakhs. This is the opening capital. He purchased goods for cash. So minus purchase goods for cash is 1,20,000. So it is 80. Now cash is 80. Thereafter business sold goods for 50,000, sold goods for cash 50. So plus it is 1,30,000. Business paid wages 2,000. So 1,30,000 minus 2, 1,28,000. Now the new cash balance is 1,28,000. So cash position is changed. Consequences of the cash is what? The cash position has changed. Business started with the capital of rupees 2 lakhs. Now purchase goods, from 2 lakh, 1,20,000 will be deducted. This much cash remaining. Now business sold goods for 50,000 has come into the business. Now cash is 1,30,000. When the business do the payment of the wages, now it again reduced by 2,000. Now the final balance of cash is 1,28,000. So cash position is also changed. Now come to the another changes. Business purchase goods for cash 1,20,000. This is the stock. Is 1,20,000 is the stock. Out of this stock, business sold 1/4 goods. 1/4 goods. So 1,20,000 into 1/4, it means 30,000 goods is sold less. So 90,000 is your closing stock. So stock position has also changed. Earlier the stock was 1,20,000. Out of this 1,20,000, 30,000 goods is sold. So remaining stock is 90,000. So this is called event. Event is a consequences or the result of a transactions. Is it clear? What is event? Event is a consequence or the result of a business transactions.